So we just had our first snow of the season and it looks so nice outside. You must have seen a couple of clips before this, and I love the snow. I love the way it looks. It makes me feel like winter is here and you need hot chocolate. So yeah, the rest of the day is just me working and I have to do my laundry. So yeah, let's see what else I get up to. You can see the snow went up a couple of inches. I'm gonna go make some green tea, and I just blew out my candle because I'm gonna go downstairs, and I just wanted to quickly show that this candle smells like Kashmiri chai, and it actually legit smells like the real thing. And if you see here, it contains a little star anise, which you use in making Kashmiri chai and all that. So very cool. I'll leave the link down below for this company, but I really like it. Although the candle is small and they're sort of pricey, but definitely will consider getting some more. Alright everybody, I'm gonna call it a day because I am so tired. I'm just having some green tea and then a little bit of cannoli from the bakery in my house. I can't even talk. So I'm gonna watch some TV and then I'm gonna go to bed. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.